Hi my spoopies, it's Kaylee, and obviously this is an outfit of the day video, a lookbook like I usually do, but this one's a little bit different. It is a last minute Halloween costumes like lookbook, which I know is really popular, but not only are these costumes easy and last minute, but they're also inspired by some of my favorite female artists who inspire me in one way or another. So that's the theme, and let me know, hi Weej, let me know in the comments below which look is your favorite, and yeah, we'll go ahead and get started. I hope you guys enjoy. So here's my first outfit slash costume. I'm supposed to be Stevie Nicks here, which I feel like every kind of witchy, gothy girl growing up was probably like obsessed with Stevie Nicks. I know I was. I love her music and her style, obviously. It's not too different from how I normally dress, but I hope the intent comes across. The hat I got from eBay. The top is from Forever 21, as is the skirt actually. Actually, the skirt is a maxi dress that I folded over into a skirt. And the wig, I've had it forever, but I'm pretty sure I got it from Amazon. And the choker is actually from ASOS. And these cute patent chunky heels are from Pleaser. I've had these for so long, I actually can't remember exactly where I got them, but I know the brand is Pleaser. And I'm a goober and I forgot to take off my glasses for the first half of this video. And here is costume number 2, which is Frida Kahlo. I see a lot of people doing like cute, easy costumes of her. She's a huge inspiration to me. I just love her art and her spirit, and she's such a fierce and awesome character. This one I was kind of nervous about doing because like I don't have a lot of colorful clothing in my wardrobe, obviously, and she was a very colorful person, loved bright colors. So I kind of just did my best, and I like to like say that this is sort of a more goth take on Frida. The flower crown I made myself. The little kimono shawl thing is from Torrid. The top is actually a dress from Forever 21. And the skirt, again, it was a maxi dress that I folded over into a skirt. And you can kind of see my makeup work here. It was so much fun giving myself a unibrow and like a little subtle mustache. And I did lots of blush because that just seemed very Frida to me. And you can see my sad little buns. I don't know how to braid my own hair, so I just kind of did my best. And all the necklaces are from either Etsy or eBay, I think. And these cute little witchy shoes, they're from Forever 21 years ago. And lastly, this is my attempt at Courtney Love. I know she's a controversial figure, and while she has said some gnarly stuff that I don't agree with at times, I just love her spirit and her fierceness. And I don't know, I'm just into the whole kinder whore and like super grungy punk girl stuff that she represents. I think if I were to do this look over again, I would probably trim this wig because I just think it's like way too long for a Courtney Love look. But this cute little baby doll dress is perfect. This coat that I'm wearing for the moment is actually from Wal Mart. And I'm sorry, I'm not actually flipping you guys off. I'm just doing my best Courtney impression, which you see I can't maintain for very long. The baby doll dress is just like a perfect Courtney dress, and that is from Hot Topic. The little tiara, I can't remember exactly where. I'm pretty sure I got it from Amazon. And of course I did the smeared lipstick and everything because, like I said, I'm just super into the whole like super messy punk aesthetic that Courtney Love typified in the 90s. But she could also be very glamorous too. But yeah, I loved this look. It was really fun to do. It was like fun to do my makeup and then just sort of mess it up. And my combat boots are from Target a couple years ago. Super easy costume to throw together last minute. And it would also be really cute to do a couple's costume with Kurt. All right, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what your favorite was. Bye.